Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with yet another iPhone 11 tutorial. One of the things I'm going to be discussing today is to clean out the RAM storage on your iPhone. Uh, some people might think that the RAM storage might not be significant when it comes to like storage on your phone itself. It actually cleans out unnecessary files when your apps update. It's important that you do this because the RAM storage actually uh, when it's cleaned out, it actually makes your phone run a little bit faster. And like I did not mention before in cleaning out the cache part of your iPhone, well, actually the Facebook app, it actually makes your phone run a little bit faster. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. First thing you want to do is obviously make sure your phone is on. Go to Settings. To get the Home button, since there's no Home button here, you want to go to Accessibility, then Touch. Next, you want to turn the Assistant Touch on. And as you can clearly see, the Home button has appeared. So now we swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now I'm going to turn my phone sideways where you can actually see this. Then to turn this thing to the regular shutdown page, it's volume up, volume down, power button, and this is the screen you get. And we touch the home button, and you just leave it. And you just let it do its thing. And in just about another minute or so, you're going to be seeing the regular home screen that everyone is used to seeing when you first turn on your phone. Cleans out all unnecessary files. And just like that, you're back to your home screen. So after you go back to settings, you just turn excessive touch off. Sorry for the notification. And then from there, you can do whatever you need to do. So that is the way to reset the actually clean the RAM storage out on your iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 Pro is the same way, and I'm sure the 12 is the same way as well. This is just with an iPhone 11. Since they did away with the home button, that's where you're going to have to find it now under accessibility and the assistant touch. Um, and the home button was technically replaced by the little app bar as you saw at the bottom of my phone. I recently did a tutorial on cleaning the cache files out on your Facebook app. Just want to follow up on that for just a second. Um, the only thing you have to simply do is just uninstall the app and then reinstall after about a minute or so because it gives it time to clean the cache file. It's like the RAM storage in this case where it takes up space on your phone and you technically don't know it. It took up, let's see, I'm going to refer back to that tutorial video for a minute on the Facebook cache. That took up 42 gigs of space on my phone of 64 gigs. I uninstalled, then reinstalled the app. It took all of that away. None of your data is lost. It's just starting over like you had just downloaded it. Like everything that you've posted still stays the same. With RAM storage, nothing is affected. It's just gets rid of the unnecessary files that don't really need to be there. So just want to follow up on this because basically these two tutorials are almost similar. So just want to follow up with that as well. And plus, that works on all of your other apps. You know, with Instagram and Snapchat, clean out the cache files. Oh yeah, it works the same way. So I hope you guys enjoyed these previous two tutorials that I have posted. Um, and I hope for all you iPhone users, these really do help. So um, for your cache files on your apps, clean them out every once in a while. RAM storage, I would do that regularly, like maybe once a month, maybe even once every other week, for example, just to make sure everything is still cleaned out and runs smoothly and efficiently. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys hope you found this video helpful, and just remember to smash the like button and drop a comment down below, and Just remember to tap the notification bell. There's lots of new videos coming up on the training side, as well as Q&As and other fun videos. So definitely keep an eye out on that, and that little bell really does help. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found the 2 tutorials helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thank you all very much, and may God bless.